Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will cover a token that is launched yesterday and is actually giving good returns to the people who invested in the airdrop and those who invested early. This one is called Lagrange with a ticker LA. So without further delay, let's jump right to talk about Lagrange and how much potential it has in the coming few weeks, especially in 2025. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So this token was sitting at around 20 cents. You can see here itself. Or let me show you the chart. The token here was actually sitting at 20 cents and today it pumped to as high as nearly equal to $2.50, which is amazing, like 10x return within a matter of 24 hours, not 24, even 12 hours. And this one is not stopping, it's even going higher. You can see right over here the all-time high it hit is $4.50 and low is 20 cents, which is yesterday, and everything is happening about this token is pretty good, pretty interesting. Now what it is, let me give you a brief on it. So Lagrange is actually a project that started in the year 2022. It's a legit one, and yesterday it launched its token. The TGE happened and they also airdropped to the user who actually participated in the airdrop quest, and I was also one among them. Of course, I missed my airdrop because I sent it to a wrong address, not a wrong address but a wrong EVM chain, and KuCoin is not allowing me to get my airdrop back. But that's other thing. Let's talk what is happening with this token. So LA is a fuel for Lagrange cryptographic engine. LA token is primarily used by client to pay for proof generation fee, but also plays a role in subsidizing the cost of proofs, which allowing token holders to stake and delegate. So this is their native token. One more thing is that their tokenomics is pretty simple. Depending upon the demand, they are releasing the tokens. Now you can see here the total token supply is just 1 billion token, very low. Circulation supply is another big thing, is just 193 million token. That means this token has a potential to hit $10 very easily. If the demand continues like this, it won't take much for this token to hit $10, given the thing that its circulation supply is just 193 million, which is very low. When you talk about the smart contract, it is deployed on Ethereum and BSC scan. If you look at Ethereum, you will come to know that it has just 2000 holders here, and of course you can see the overall market cap, which is quite low at just $261 million. That means not even closer to 1 billion. So this particular token looks strong and can easily hit 1 billion in the next few days if the momentum continues. And if that happens, of course, $10 is very close. So if you're someone who's looking to invest in legit token that is launched recently, I think you should take a look at Lagrange. And moreover, the listing is quite interesting. Apart from Binance, it is listed on PancakeSwap, Bybit, Coinbase Exchange, BitGet, MEXC, Gate, STX, KuCoin, and of course Binance Alpha. So clearly this one is going to make you money, but entering at the right price point is the key here. So please DYOR, do your diligence. With that, I complete my video. Since I participated in the airdrop, I know this project is good and is here to stay. What are your views about this token? Will you buy it or not? Comment below, share thoughts. With that, let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Thank you.